Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you the pistachio cake recipe. Come, let's start. At first, powder 3 by 4 cup sugar and keep it aside. Crush 20 to 30 pistachios and keep aside. Take 2 eggs in the mixer jar and add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and beat well. Add the powdered sugar and mix well. Now add 30 ml vegetable oil and mix well. Now I am adding 1 cup maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 1 by 8 teaspoon salt. Mix them all without any lumps. Now to adjust the consistency of batter, I am adding 2 tablespoons water. Now I am adding 2-3 drops dark green gel color. Also I am adding half teaspoon pistachio essence. See the consistency of batter. Now add half portion of the crushed pistachios and mix well with the batter. Add 1 teaspoon vinegar just before baking and mix well. Grease and dust the desired shape mold. Now transfer the batter to the mold and tap well. Bake the cake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. After 35 minutes, check the cake with a square. If it comes out clearly, the cake is fully baked. Let it cool down and then demold the cake. For further icing, cut the cake into 3 layers. If you want, you can remove the sides. Now take 1.5 cup whipping cream in a bowl and beat until stiff beads. Our cream is ready now. Fix a base and apply some cream to fix the cake. Now place the first layer. I have prepared a special solution by adding 3 tablespoons sugar in half cup milk and 2 tablespoons whipping cream to soak the cake. Soak the first layer with the milk solution before applying the cream. Now apply a thin layer of cream. Add some crushed pistachios. Now place the second layer of sponge and repeat the process. Soak with the milk solution and then apply the cream. Now place the third layer, soak with the milk solution and apply the cream. Coat the sides also with the cream. Keep the cake refrigerated for 1 to 2 hours. To prepare the chocolate ganache, melt 50 gram white compound by adding 1 tablespoon fresh cream in double boiling method. Add green color to the chocolate ganache. After 2 hours, take the cake out and do further decorations. Decorations are up to you. I have mixed some color in the cream, whipping cream, and made some flowers on the top. Bottom portion also decorated with the same cream. You can spread some sprinkles on the top. Our pistachio cake is ready now. It's very tasty cake. Please try the recipe and let me know your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.